Alright, so mods, today I show you how to build a Marvel musket, the small version of the Marble rifle. Let's get into it. Alright, so the materials that you're gonna need. You're gonna need one bucket with one big cock, preferably like one Gatorade or something, or a little bit bigger than this. You're gonna need a piece of styrofoam, anything you can find. 1.5 inch 45-degree bend PVC. 1/2 inch elbow. One next 1/2 inch fitting, no matter which one. You're gonna need one connection to connect two wire. Any kind of connection you can connect them just by putting the wire together. You're gonna need glue. I need one cap, 1.5 inch drain cap. I need some tacks or nails. Sandpaper. About 12 inches of PVC pipe, 1/2 inch. You don't want one thin, so less pressure rating. Thinner be more size my boy can fit in here. You go on about 12 inches a normal 1.5 inch drain pipe. And you're gonna need about 12 inches of. You can use the same drain pipe, or you can use one thicker like this. This is about 2 times the thickness of that, so you can hold more pressure. But the normal one can hold it as well because not take that much pressure. And you're gonna need one stove lighter. Alright, so the tools you're gonna need one tape measure, a ruler. This you're gonna need one small knife, long as it's small. A screwdriver, glue gun. You're gonna need a couple glue stick, about 5 or so. I need one little pliers. Scissors. You're gonna need, I think they call this aviation snips, they need to cut like thin metal. A marker. And one hacksaw. Right. So for your thicker pipe, you need it about 12 inches. This is just one coupling on my cut. So that's me can cut on a straight line. Right. Alright, see, you cut smooth, completely straight. On there. So this I got with the barrel. That's finished. Now, for your drain pipe, a normal drain pipe. Now your ruler come in and your marker. You're gonna need 3 cut. First, you're gonna need one where 7 0.1 inch. That's a 7 inch and 1 stroke behind the 7. You're gonna need one more, not inch, centimeter. 7.1 centimeter. You're gonna need one more that. That's 7.1 centimeter again. Then you're gonna need one 7.3 centimeter. Boom. Measure once, cut twice. See there? So when you have 7.1, 7.1 and then the 7.3. Always measure once and cut twice. Don't do no shortcut work. Don't follow me. So yeah, you're done with this. Alright. Now time to start. Cut them in a two. I cut them in a two. Cut one slit down the middle. So that thing can fit inside this. Alright. You might want to get a ruler. So that's you cut it straight. And your marker. These arcs are, they might kind of left one little sharp line on it. Okay. Yeah, put it in this. I see which part you need to cut it. So that's the drop in there, nice and even. So I cut it. Put it right on the line. Get back your ruler. See that? Mark it. Get back your ruler. Try and make it as straight as possible. Draw your line. Get back your whatever is cutting. Slice that one. Boom. Yeah, I'll go try to fit it back in that pipe. Right. So fit perfect. Perfecto. Two down, one to go. Genius. Right in there. Right. Now or the division chamber we make. Alright? So that you can powerful. So you're gonna need 3 circles to put inside of this. And for that, forgot to mention this earlier, you're gonna need either a flat piece of plastic, or you can cut this in a straight down the middle and heat it up and flatten it. But it's easier to cut, so I use this. And it comes in my knife. Yeah. 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 Flat plastic. Oh, this one albacore. Boom. This one piece I cut off of this. So I use it to line the inside. Right, so time to sand them down. Sanding down until they can fit in this perfectly. Right, so after you shave down them here now, you go put one aside, because one has to stay the same way. And you go put holes in the middle like that. 3 of these with one 1/2 inch piece of PVC. You're going to use to mark the hole. Right, let's go. Right, see, don't trace the 3 hole in the 3 of them. See there? Now you're going to take out one and put the next aside. Yeah, I go put about 6 holes or so, but a couple holes in it around the perimeter. Right. Now time to take out the inside of them. For that, I use the scissors. You're gonna get a little knife. You're gonna start carve it out until you reach the lines. And I'm gonna do it for all 3 of them. Alright, so see them here? Cut them out. Use the little knife and the scissors. So now time to make the cap. For the cap you're gonna need cork. So I go get this, I go cut it down to size. After you get that, you can put it down in this. You go steady it right in the center. You go get the marker or something can mark it like that. Like the hacksaw. Nice hacksaw. I grow on. Mark. Right. So that you want line only. Yeah, take one of your scissors. I take a scissors and you have cut through it. I want to cut right from the knife. Alright, so see there? Fit almost perfectly. That's the right way I want it to be. Alright, so now that I have everything I'm gonna need now, the seal up and everything, I go on put in the back piece. Alright. That is 7.3. I'm going to push it in so that you have like a space behind it so you can seal it up. Then I'm going to turn it around and put in one of these. If you get like a sticker or something, you push it right up. Like that, and then I go get on a smaller piece and put that one in there. Make sure say the end they meet up properly and put it right down. There. And now put in the next piece. Make sure you say seat right down for me. Then I find all the time for the holy one. So like that. Now you're going to get to our next piece, the normal pipe, and measure in here. So okay, now I'm going to show how long it's gonna be. So I measure it, right, say about that long. Then I put the cap. Bottom part of the cap to see how long I go on the other white piece. Now get your straight line again. Right, perfect. Right, and then I go put the one right here. And this here chamber before it glue up, and also gonna make one hole about make a hole for the barrel about right here. Yeah. See, I'm at the middle. Right here, you're gonna make a hole big enough so that you can fit this inside of here, so also have it steel tight. So I have to pull it back up and start glue up everything. So now, I time to bore this out. That's this can inside here. So